Spectroline. The world leader in fluorescent leak detection presents leak detection for AC&R systems. More than ever, air conditioning and refrigeration service professionals need a quick, accurate method of locating system leaks. Effective leak detection is critical today because undetected leaks can lead to equipment breakdown, increased expense of operating a system not running at peak efficiency, high refrigerant replacement costs, food spoilage, environmental problems. Several leak detection methods are presently being used, including bubble solutions and electronic leak detectors. However, fluorescent leak detection has several key advantages over these methods. It pinpoints the exact source of each and every leak. It detects leaks at a distance. It finds very small, multiple, and even intermittent leaks. It allows you to search for leaks whether the system is off or running. It allows leak sites to be rechecked after repairs have been completed. The dye remains safely in system indefinitely, so future leaks can be pinpointed immediately. It is the only method that can be used for both accurate diagnosis and as part of a comprehensive preventive maintenance program. Okay, so how does fluorescent leak detection work? Just add a small amount of fluorescent dye to the system and let it circulate. The dye-refrigerant mixture will escape and accumulate at all leak sites. Now scan the system with a high-intensity Spectroline inspection lamp. The dye will glow brilliantly, pinpointing the exact source of each and every leak. So, are all fluorescent dyes equal? Absolutely not. Spectroline R-Glow dyes are the only dyes that are universal, compatible with all refrigerants and lubricants, super concentrated, so you use less per dose, co-solvent-free to prevent premature component failure, OEM approved to maintain system warranties. Spectroline offers several ways to add R-Glow dye to AC&R systems. Glow Stick single-dose dye capsules for small to medium systems. EasyJect multi-dose dye cartridges for small to medium systems. Big Easy multi-dose dye cartridges for medium to large systems. Bottled dyes for very large AC&R systems. Glow Stick dye capsules allow you to use the refrigerant to push the dye into a pressurized system. To hook up, you'll need 2 bleed valves, an extra low-side service hose, and a gauge manifold. Start by connecting one bleed valve to the manifold's low-side hose. Connect the other bleed valve to the low-side service hose. Then connect the hose to the system's service port. Slowly open the bleed valve at the service port and allow the hose to purge. Then close the valve. Open the refrigerant tank and low-side gauge manifold valves. Then open the bleed valve at the low-side hose. Close the bleed valve. Connect the glow stick capsule in series between the 2 bleed valves, with the arrow on the capsule facing toward the service port. Slowly open both bleed valves and allow refrigerant to flush the dye into the system. EasyJect and Big Easy multi-dose dye cartridges are pre-filled and disposable. The dye is introduced into the system via a dedicated injector assembly and hose. A purge fitting purges air from the hose. Hookup is simple and virtually identical with either injection system. Start by attaching the dye cartridge to the injector assembly. Now connect the hose to the dye cartridge. Install the purge fitting into the hose's coupler and turn the injector handle until dye exits the fitting. Remove the purge fitting and connect the coupler to the low-side service port. Slowly turn the injector handle until the exact amount of dye required for the system size is injected. R-Glow bottled dyes are the most economical method of treating very large systems with dye. You can either pour the dye directly into the system or use any standard refillable injector. Fluorescent leak detection is a simple yet very effective method for pinpointing refrigerant leaks in AC&R systems. But remember, all fluorescent dyes are not created equal. Spectroline R-Glow dyes are safe, co-solvent-free, super concentrated, and OEM approved by major compressor, refrigerant, lubricant, and AC&R equipment manufacturers. In addition, Spectroline offers a full line of high-quality inspection lamps and kits, ranging from entry-level to state-of-the-art, feature-rich units. For more information, visit www.spectroline.com. Spectroline, the world leader in fluorescent leak detection.